And we right back, man. It's your boy Diego CRUZ, man. Cruise Control. This is Lights On Rikers. And yeah, this is like a little, I guess like a bonus video. I corrupted my memory card somehow, so I lost a lot of film.
Man,
And I just been busy
boys in here
working
in the lab.
everything. Actually missing out on the ride with the fellas tonight, so pieced together.
Getting these lights together.
Film I had on my computer already.
Face on that thing.
Put this little video out, man. I appreciate everybody that follow the page, comment, like, and subscribe, man. I mean, it mean a lot, you know, just to be, you know, riding, having fun, meeting new people, all off of a machine, you know. It's crazy how that worked out. Here we are at Preach House, you know, getting ready, getting the bike situated. You say it's CANAM parking only. Only. Yeah, but I mean, so yeah, this was from the lake run the other day, and just a little extra footage for you guys. Riding out, following Mike, but it turned out Mike did not know where we was going. You know, you gotta put that thing in sport mode, man. If you ain't riding in sport mode, like, do you even have a Ryker? I mean, really? That's what it's there for, so you can ride it. And this is where we realized Mike went the wrong way. Seen him down the road, everybody turning around. I was trying to let D go past, but he was waving me on. Then Preach stopped. I didn't know what was going on, but we got it together. And we back on the road. Beautiful views, man. Out of the old White Rock Lake. All in all, that was a good day. And we wind up in downtown Dallas. Y'all like that cut, didn't y'all? Yeah, man, footage real choppy. Cause I just had random clips. Some was corrupted, some stuff wasn't, so I don't know what happened. I just got what I could salvage and got a new SD card, man. But there was some people over there, they was fighting and arguing. Let's see D back to D Money. Those mirrors looking extra HD. And that's why, you know, as I keep looking back in that direction, because I was like, man, they was making a lot of noise. And, you know, we just cruising through downtown Dallas. It's a nice Saturday. Time I go record, I'm gonna try mounting my GoPro to the bike so I don't get all that head swerve, because I mean, that's just how I don't know, that's just how I am. Like, I'm always looking around, looking over my shoulder, and I know that's probably a little dizzying for the viewers. If you just sitting back watching, like, this guy don't know how to be still. lady was recording me, but she didn't realize I was recording her. You know what I'm saying? It's like Inception. It's a recording in the recording. Look, she was waiting. And I see, I'm recording you. So she on YouTube. Shout out to her. Getting on down the road. Really like how that windshield's been holding up. I adjusted it recently too, so it's an even sweeter feel to it. Sometimes I think about getting the OEM windshield, but I don't know, cause I just don't like all that clutter on my handlebars. The ranch. Any of y'all old schools in Dallas know about the ranch? Look at D. Say he used to have big parties up in there. Yep, that sport mode kicked in.
They almost lost that hole right there.
I was explaining to him.
Almost lost it
That
right
ain't
there.
fishtail, man. I love it though.
I did that when we left the lake. We leave the lake. Accidentally hit it. All over. Right. I see you, Mr.
Like King Jaffe Joe say, I see you, hater.
Like he wanna burn off
Cool
on
dude on a little beamer,
cool, man.
dipping through.
You go first.
Enjoying the city a little bit. You know, sometimes, I mean, that's basically what it's all about, man. I prefer, you know, riding the back roads and out in the country. You ain't gotta worry about these red lights and stop signs and buses and pedestrians. Like, you can just go cruise, but it was nice though. I really wish I didn't lose the rest of that footage, man. Cause D actually dropped one of his gloves while we was riding. I picked it up while moving and handed it back to him. That would have been sweet. That would have been sweet if I'd have had it on camera. But it is what it is. Just running through the south side, checking everything out. Headed up through Oak Cliff. But if there's any other Ryker riders in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, man, get at me, man. Hey, the more the merrier. We can all meet up, ride out, you know. Because I didn't even know any of these guys until I started putting these videos up. And I mean, they some cool dudes, man. Some real cool dudes, so it's just great that how like something so niche like three-wheelers could, you know, bring people together. You meet new people, even people that I haven't met in person that I just talk to on YouTube, basically, not even on social media. You know, it's like a little community forming. It's cool, man. So if any other Ryker riders in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, man, get at me. We can all get together, ride, get some footage, grab some food, you know, just have a regular day. Just pull them bikes out. Looking for D in my mirror. There you go. Creeping up. Hey, like I said, I appreciate everybody that like, comment, and subscribe, man. And got that SD figured out, so we gonna be back next week with another one. You know, I ain't gonna make y'all wait too long.